Yo, first order of the day just came in. The Jack in the Box, $11 and some change for about 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Just got this IHOP order, $9.25 for 6 miles. I'm gonna take it just because I'm next to the IHOP, but I'm pretty confident that it's not gonna be ready. Is it all for me?
Yes.
There we go. Just got this Chick-fil-A order, $9.75, going about 5 miles. I've delivered it for this customer probably the most out of any, and they always tip really well. It's a bit of a drive, and it is Chick-fil-A, so it is gonna take a while, but it will be worth it. Thank you. As I was saying, it's Chick-fil-A, so it's gonna be a bit of a wait. I think that was like 10 minutes. And like I said, I've been to this place so many times, I don't even need the map anymore. Total ended up being $11.75. Not too bad considering. Next up, we've got a McDonald's, $9.50 for like 4 miles.
What will Staples think of next?
Right?
No, seriously, I'm asking, what will they think of next?
There you go. Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
You too. This one might be a mistake, as it might not be open, but I've got this Taco Bell order, $9 and some change for 5 miles. Gonna give it a shot. Do see some lights on. Drive-thru is closed. Yes. Yeah, please. Watch this be on the top floor. It's always upstairs. Got a McDonald's order, $7 and some change, going about 2 miles. I wasn't gonna take it, but it's only 2 miles, so why not? Got 483.
Yep.
Thank you. Just got another McDonald's order from a different location. It's gonna be $11 and some change for just under 4 miles.
Did you order?
Yes.
2 bucks.
Thank you. I just got this Chick-fil-A order, $8 and some change for 4 miles. I'm already here, but I doubt it's ready. Probably not gonna be worth it in the end.
Looks like that just got put in like about 2 minutes ago.
I believe that is next in line. What about you?
Usually one of the next ones coming up, and then go see where they're at.
Shout out to Chick-fil-A for taking another 15 minutes of my life away. Oh, God. That is wild. Next up, we got a McDonald's order, $12 for about 5 miles. Next up, I've got an order for Don Taco, obviously a Mexican place. $12 for about 6 miles. By the way, the current time is just about to hit 11 o'clock. Current total is about $79, plus all the Uber tips that have yet to come in. I'm not sure how many that is because most of my day today has been Uber, so hard to say.
It's probably gonna take more than 5 minutes. I don't know if you want to wait. It's ready. Have a good one.
Thank you. So it's super dead right now. I haven't had an order worth taking in about 15 minutes. So I'm thinking about calling it a day here. Current time is 11:45. Current total is whatever I said earlier plus 12. Don't really feel like doing the math at the moment. That's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, bye.